Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with another Reaper Bones model. This week is the Human Fighter, so William. Lots of armor on this one, so if you happen to have plate mail metal spray, I would start with that. I don't have that, so I primed him black and given him a white zenithal highlight, and now I'm going over all of the armor pieces with plate mail metal. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been hobbying on. With the first layer of silver done, I grabbed dark tone and gave it a once over wash. If you want to give the armor a bit more sort of a brushed steel look, you can add a few drops of blue tone into this wash as well. Now the wash has dried, I came back in with plate mail metal just to bring out those large flat areas and make them shiny again. To highlight up the armor, I used a bit of shining silver, just for some of the large flat areas and the edges. With the armor now done, I moved on to the design on the shield. I went for some yellow squares on these and started off with sun yellow as the base coat. In between coats of yellow, I used leather brown to do the straps and the pouches around him. To finish off the leather parts, I used dark flesh tone for these scabbards. I almost forgot to do the face, so I quickly grabbed Sunny's skin tone and gave it a once over. The opposite squares on the shield are done with pure red. Now back to the yellow, I brighten up with moon yellow. As always with yellow, this is going to take a few coats to get a decent brightness out of it. For the rest of the metallic detailing, I went for glorious gold. This is including the details on the shield. I do forget to do the triangle on his shoulder pad, but come back and do that after. The base rim and the inside of the empty scabbard get done with black just to finish them off. Lastly, I used a flesh tone to wash the leather parts and the base. And that will be it for the human fighter. As always with an armoured unit, it's pretty quick and simple method to get them painted up. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. If there are any hobby supplies you need to pick up, there are some affiliate links down below that products I use. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.